Hello friends, happy International Women's Day to all you beautiful girls out there. And today talking to you, I'm just reflecting back at the last 5 years of my life where I faced immense abuse, emotional trauma, humiliation, cheating, witchcraft and others. And there was no way where I could take out time to help heal myself, isolate, and just focus on myself as I had the responsibility of my two children. There were bills to be paid, and I needed to connect with my dad as I'd recently lost my mum to cancer. Amongst all this, I just had one positive support by my side, my faith in Almighty God and my best friend Homeopathy. So I started using and feeding myself with homeopathy remedies, with the Australian bush flower essences to help support clean my emotional baggage. And at the same time, I continued to work with my clients to support clean their emotional baggages as well. And I'm happy that homeopathy and these beautiful flower essences did not let me down. They kept me strong when my life was on fire. And actually they motivated me to motivate my women clients to battle out their emotional baggages, to cross their obstacles. I'm sharing all this with you friends only for the reason that we've heard so many times that emotional stress and trauma is a toxin in itself. It enhances the premature aging of your body cells and brain cells and pushes you into physical chronic conditions. It could be diabetes, it could be cholesterol, it could be fibroids, it could be endometriosis, it could be depression, dementia, and much more. But I'm absolutely grateful and feel very empowered with homeopathy, bush flower essences, and natural medicine by my side. It kept me strong, it protected me, kept me safe from the clutches of all these chronic conditions, and I could support my female clients through cancer, through fibroids, through glaucoma, through depression, through grief, migraines, and more. So, you beautiful women out there, empower yourself with positive, emotional, and physical health with confidence the natural way. Embrace homeopathy, embrace emotional health. Once again, happy International Women's Day. Stay healthy, be safe, and see you soon. Thank you.